We need the panic room for this.
Yeah.
Want to be the black man? I have a shotgun. This is a day.
No, someone just took my character.
I haven't.
Who are you gonna be?
Who's your character?
The one whose name is actually my name. No
Oh,
one can be
that
Jennifer
I
again.
picked that.
I have a.
Is that the
Contagion.
wound shark?
Yes, mutton chop guy.
Ah, let's
Can you
check that thing
shells,
out.
yeah?
Oh yeah.
Hello.
sure,
Right, something.
oh
Yeah.
no, I dropped the soap.
I see you.
Drift, do you need weapons?
We should probably like
I'm
not.
fine.
Oh my god.
I've got plenty
It's
bullets.
not what it looks like.
Yeah, same.
It's actually.
I had to shoot Praxi.
Tell
I'm
him
sorry
sucker.
guys, but I think we might be about to die.
Oh, practice zombie.
Like Ryan,
yeah.
you're sticking with
What's
me.
going
I'm on low health because Praxi shot me several times.
Oh god.
Let's
Oh god, no.
I
Yeah.
don't know what's happening.
Ryan's on me.
I just dropped all my weapons. Oh.
see you.
Where do
Ryan?
you want to go, Quintus?
I would suggest trying
Come
to
here.
find them.
Back here.
Yes. Let's try
Yeah.
and find
I've
them.
got a miss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big teeth.
Oh god, Ryan killed me.
And if you press B again, you get to the.
Yeah, I actually have
You
the
look like-
automatic
Hey, Ryan.
gun
You look
for
like
that,
a drunk
but
lady
I
in high
picked up
heels.
6 hours.
Yeah, me too. Cat, where are you?
Shit, 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 shit.
Surprise! I killed your dogger!
Okay.
Can zombies drive forklifts?
No.
no,
I
we
can
don't have
climb
a
on
license
them.
yet.
I can hear a gurgling sound.
Where's your footprints going?
Who's that? Praxis, is that you? Shit. Is it?
Hey Brian, let's reenact Thriller.
No.
Oh god, there's like 3 zombies in front of me.
How do you use this ILED?
Shit.
Oh, that's great. No one's telling me.
Oh god.
Okay, that's great. You fucker.
Company guy.
How did you get me? Someone was attacking you and you got me.
Open it up, Joe.
Cockroaches.
Yeah, hi. Ryan?
How do you open it up? You just slap it?
Whack it. Fucking whack it.
Like that, all on the floor.
I can
Bill,
smell
have you got F on?
drift.
A small dwarf actually.
I can
Slave.
smell you.
Hello, Dimos.
Oh, it's just mittens.
This isn't what it looks like.
There is.
I'm not trying to break into the women's.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, but you just need
Not
to
what it
move.
looks like. Oh god!
Yeah,
Oh god,
he's
is that what
here.
it look like?
He's in the tunnel.
Yeah, he's right behind the door.
Yes!
Hey, what? Why did the round end? Oh, you